Alright, so I'm going to show how to open up and disassemble this 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro model A2141. So first thing we're going to need is a pentalobe 1.2 or a P5 screwdriver, and we're just going to remove all the screws from the bottom. You want to keep the screws in order because they can be different size, shape, and length. The way I do that is that when I take the screw out, I'll put them in the pattern I remove them with the head face down like this. Alright, and we'll just take out all these screws. There's 2 in the back towards the hinge, and then there's 4 in the front here. Alright, just remove all these screws. This is just going to be a quick look inside because the customer's outside waiting. We'll see. Alright. Alright, once you get all those screws out, this model, it has these air vents, so you can kind of use that to lift up the screen, or not the screen, sorry, the bottom panel. So if I were to lift up here, I can actually get my fingernails underneath. You can use pry tools, but if you can't do that, you can also use a suction cup and just use the suction cup to help pull that up and get your fingernails or pry tools under there. Once you do that, you want to kind of go down towards the side, and then I kind of push down here while I pull up with my fingers here. Alright, same thing, go around to the other side, like that, push down and pull up, just like that. Alright, once you pop the clips, you're going to turn the MacBook like this, okay? And then what you want to do is I grab this with my fingers here and my palm, and then I push down here while holding with my fingers behind the screen so that the thing won't fall over. So just like this, okay, just pull it down, go to the other side, same thing, grab it, pull it down, and there we go. Alright, so once you pull that down, you can pull the cover off. Here you go. It is pretty dusty, as you can see, so we are going to clean this out. There isn't really anything in here you can do. The trackpad is pretty easy to remove. There's just two screws there on each side, then 1 here, and then 2 more, and then you got these 3 here. If you want to see how to replace the trackpad, pretty much all the, I think 2016 to 2019 or 2020 MacBooks, the trackpad's basically the same. There's 2 screws here. You can take this metal panel off and then pop the connector up. I'm not going to pop anything out, but underneath here, if you're going to work on it, you can actually remove the battery connector. Again, this is basically the same idea as the 2016 to 2019 MacBooks. Alright, they're all basically the same. You just peel off this little plastic cover here, and then there's this little cable you can pull back, and then a T5 or Torx 5 screw under here. Take that screw out, and then you can pull this metal tab up. But anyways, I'm going to be putting this back together because I just wanted to show what it looks like inside. There's no removable RAM or SSD or anything, or hard drive. So basically the only thing you can really replace is the trackpad and the screen. The motherboard's separately replaceable. The speakers are held in with a strong adhesive, but that's pretty much all there is in here. So hopefully this video will help you guys see what it looks like inside. Again, I'm not going to do a complete disassembly, and the inside design is pretty similar to the 2016 to 2019 other MacBooks, 13-inch, 15-inch. So if you want to see how to remove those, you can find those videos, or just send me a text, sorry, not a text, just send me a message on YouTube or a comment, and I will send you a link if you need to find that. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, subscribe, help others find my channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Actually, I'll clean out the dust and I'll be back, but we'll see. Alright, so here it is all cleaned up, a lot less dusty. Okay, to put this back, you start with the cover slightly down here. Alright, and then make sure the edge lines up, slide it up, go to the other side, same thing, hold this down, slide it up. I use my thumb down here, and then usually you have to push again on the other side because it kind of walks itself out. Do that, clip these back into place. Alright, take the screws and put them all back in. And just like that, pretty much done. So the way I dust this, when I use an electric air blower, And I'll actually blow the fans this way first to get all the big pieces of dust out. And usually you want to hold the fan so it doesn't spin around too much. And then after that I brush the propellers off with a toothbrush. And then after that I blow the dust back in this way. There's also usually the dust along the edge here because this is the air intake spot. So I'll clean that as well. But that's pretty much all there is to this. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Again, if it did, please like, subscribe, help others find my channel. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you all in the next one. Alright, bye.